Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to chat on Instagram. If you want to chat message to your friend or any Instagram follower, then watch this video till the end and learn how to chat or message your friend Instagram. So, first of all, you must be logged into your Instagram account. After that, you can simply swipe left, see the direct message section over here and search for your friend, then message them. You can also go search one of your followers on search, someone you follow, and then you can see on their profile there is a message button. Onto it, and here you can send them messages or photographs, videos as well. In a message over here and send it, you will be able to start a chat or messaging over here with this user. You can also see at the top right corner a video button. It will help you to do video chat with this user on Instagram. Like this, you can use your Instagram and start messaging on Instagram with your Instagram friends and followers. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more upcoming contents like this. If you have any questions, then you can be sure to write it down on the comment section below.